So what are strings? Strings are nothing but the consecutive sequence of characters only. So if you combine character, this is a string. So this word KNOWN, this is a string, and the individual character in a string is accessed using a subscript. We'll call it as index. Index will be used to access single character. This subscript should always be a integer, means it can be positive, it can be negative, and it will always start from 0. The literal and constant values to a string can be accessed using single quotes, like single quotes, or double quotes, or even triple quotes, like this. And please understand that strings are immutable, means once you have created it, you cannot change it in place. You have to assign it again, and the content of string that therefore cannot be changed after when it is created. So there are various operations that can be applied on strings, like the plus. This is a plus in string, that means concatenation. It will add two strings. It will add the next string or the coming string with the previous string. The repetition is number of time that string will appear. In membership means whether it lies inside it or not. Not in means if some content lies inside it. Not means it doesn't lie inside it. There is a range, means you start with start, then stop, then step, and we also have slice. So let us see the output of some code so that we may use these operations. For example, if A has been assigned global, B has been assigned warming. If you do print A plus B, what does it mean? A plus B, it will combine these two and this will be global warming. How about multiplying this A with 3? 3 into A will show global 3 times. A is equal to global, O in A. Whether O is in A or not, yes it is. So it will give you true. A global, G in A. Because G is there in A, but the small g is not equivalent to capital G in Python. So G, capital G and G will not be taken as equal, so false will return. Then you have global, O not in A. So since O is already in A, so it will give you false, because O is actually in A and we are asking for not in A. Then A is equal to global, G not in A. G is actually not in A because there is capital G, so it will give you true. So there are certain other methods and built-in functions which deals with string, which is length, capitalize, find, is, alnum, is alpha, like this. There are other functions also, as you are witnessing here. So let us take some of them. S is equal to congratulations. See this word carefully, because all these functions will be applied on this only. In this word, C is capital and others are small case. So length S, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So what is the length of this string, or number of characters or items in this string? It is 15. S dot capitalize will do what? Whatever string is there, the first the character of the word will be capitalized. So this C will be capitalized, as it is already capital, this will be shown. S dot find AL. Whether AL is there or not, AL is not there. In congratulations, AL is not there, so you will get -1. But LA is there, so LA is here. What is the position if you start from here? This LA starts at 8th position. So the position of where this LA would start, or the substring would start, will give. S0 is alphanumeric. Yes, C is alphanumeric, so true will come. S0 is alpha. Yes, alphabet is there, C. And S0 is digit. C is not a digit, so it will give you false. How about making it lower? Congratulations, C was capital, so C will come as lower and others also lower. S dot upper. All others apart from C, because C was already capital, all others will get capital. S0 dot is upper. Whether S0 is upper or not, as we saw here, S is actually upper. This S0, this first one is upper. S1 is upper. Whether it is upper or not, we saw we are going to use congratulations like this. So this is not upper, so it will be false. When you want to replace S with any character with another character, so what we are going to do? S dot replace. A will be replaced by @. So all A you find here will be replaced by @. S dot is space. So it will find for the space. If the spaces are not there, it will give you false. S dot swap case. As you saw in the previous, means the initial string, C was capital, others were not capital. Here C is not capital, others become capital. S dot partition A. So wherever A comes, the left part is here, A will be shown here, and the right part will be shown here. So there will be 3 partition. If you want to do 4 partition with respect to RA, then this C on this this is at 4th position. At 4th position, you want this to be RA, and you take RA. Congratulations. In this you have to find for RA. Left part and right part, it will split. So it will split like this. If you want to split from A, so in congratulations, wherever A is there, the left part and the string after coming A, then again string coming before A and after A. If you want to, if ABC is there, you have say some spaces here. This L strip is going to remove this space. This R strip is going to remove this space which is coming after. So let us see in an example. Write a program to input any string and count number of uppercase and lowercase letters. For that, you can enter the string, and you know that this raw input is going to take this S as a string. So whenever you enter a string, you want to compute the number of uppercase and lowercase. So what we have done is, uppercase we have taken 0 because this is going to compute or calculate the number of uppercase, and the lowercase, and then I is for this loop. So while I is length S, we have taken the length of S, and while this I is less than the length of the string, then we'll check if Si is lower. If it is lower, then we'll just increase L. L is equal to L plus 1. If it is upper, then if it is true, then we'll just add 1 to upper, and we'll continue doing this till the length of string is reached. After this, the upper and lower will be shown. So if you just input like this Python program prog, so this particular string has 5 uppercases and 5 lowercases. We have another program, but write the output of the following program. This is Indian festivals. So while I is less than length S, so the length will be computed, it will be given here, and Si is lower, print Si upper. Means if it is lower, it will print it as upper, and if it is upper, it will print it as lower. So all the Indian festival content will be shown inverted, means the uppercase will be lowercase, lowercase will be uppercase.